Hi guys, welcome back sa aking channel. This video is a simplified way to test printer head if good pa ba or shorted na yung printer head natin. So, gamit ang multi-tester. Set natin sa diode. Naka-diode mode tayo guys. Tapos, meron tayo ditong guide. So, ito yung paa niya guys, from 1 pin into 20 or 21 pins. So dapat itong 1 at saka yung dulo 20 dapat 0 reading, tapos yung second pin is 0.6, third pin is 0.5, fourth pin and so on is dapat 0 reading. So yun yung guide natin guys para sa good printer head. So check natin guys. Check muna natin itong isang printer head. So position niya guys is ganito. So inverse polarity, yung kulang probe natin is nasa 20 last pin. Tapos yung block natin is nasa first pin. So check natin guys. 0 0 second is second pin 0.6, third pin 0.5, fourth pin fourth pin 0, tapos 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So dapat wala siyang reading dito guys. From 4th pin into 19, dapat wala siyang reading guys. Kung may reading siya dito guys, kung may reading siya dito from kunyari 7th pin, is shorted pa rin yung printer head natin. So ito yung good guys. Wala siyang reading sa first and last pin. Tapos second is meron siyang 0.6. And then third is meron siyang 0.5. Fourth is wala, so on. Wala. So ito yung good guys. Tapos check natin yung isa. Same process. Kulang probe, last pin, tapos yung itim is first. So ayan guys, may reading siya na 2.5. May reading siya na 2.5, so shorted. Tapos pangalawa, second pin 0.6, third 0.5, fourth 0, fourth so 0, fourth, tapos so on, wala na siyang reading. So ito yung shorted guys. First pin at saka yung last pin, pag may reading yan guys, ibig sabihin shorted yung printer head natin. At saka kung yung fourth pin natin at saka yung last pin, fourth pin, fifth until 19, kung may reading yan guys, so sira yung printer head natin. Kung itry natin yung isaksak, so masisira yung system ng board natin. So ang good printer head is first pin and last pin walang reading, 0 reading. Tapos yung second at saka yung last is 0.6. Ang third is 0.5. Fourth and so on is 0 reading. Okay? So yun lang guys. Napakasimple. I hope na nasundan nyo at may natutunan kayong aral. So salamat. Sana subscribe nyo yung channel ko and like the video. So until the next video guys. Thank you.